Would you like to get money to grow your business? Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and in this video, I'm going to walk through and show you the easiest and the fastest way to access credit and loans to grow your business. What I'm going to show you is several different ways that you can get money for your business, even as a startup, even if you don't have good personal credit or don't even have cash flow at all or much cash flow, and even if you don't have any kind of collateral. So what you're looking at here is the Business Finance Suite, and there's two things that this system helps you do. The first is build business credit. This helps you get credit for your EIN that's not linked to your personal social security number. It also helps you get all different kinds of loans and credit lines. So let's dive in and take a look. The first thing that we do is help you build business credit for your company. Now with business credit, there's a lot of benefits, including the fact that you can get approved regardless of cash flow, regardless of collateral, and regardless of personal credit. As a matter of fact, if you don't have good credit, have no collateral, and don't have cash flow, you can't typically qualify for a loan. But with business credit, you're still able to come in and get high limit revolving credit card accounts very fast. $10,000, $20,000, even $40,000 and $50,000 limit credit cards you can obtain in a few months or less. And we help you do this through what we call our Business Credit Builder. And our Business Credit Builder walks you through the steps to actually go from having no credit established for your business to getting these very high limit accounts. And we do so right here in step one by walking through your business credibility. The first thing that lenders and credit issuers look at is to make sure that your business is credible. They have an unwritten, unpublished guidelines that they use to determine if you should be approved for financing or not. But you're probably already familiar with this. You've already went through in your life and applied for credit cards and got instant approvals. Well, this is what we're helping you do in step one. By meeting credit issuer standards, this helps you go in to get automated approvals for $20, $30, $40, $50,000 limit credit cards that don't require a personal guarantee or a personal credit check. So our system is completely customized. If you already have your business name, you could simply select yes, you do, and move on to the next step. But if you don't, then we walk you through everything you need to know to set up your business. You could search your Secretary of State records to see if that name's available. You could view restricted industries to see industries that are restricted that are higher risk to make sure that you're not choosing a name that indicates you're in a high risk industry. You can even access resources that will help you setting up your business name and video training. Now, one of the benefits of the Finance Suite is that you can access this in English or in Spanish. So by choosing Espanol down here, we immediately change the entire experience to Spanish. Even the videos will have Spanish overlays, or you could simply leave it in English. So once we make sure that your business is set up credibly by going through and making sure your business name doesn't indicate you're in a high risk industry and that your business address meets the select criteria you must meet. For example, you can't use PO boxes and UPS addresses. Well, that's the type of things that we walk you through in step 1.2. We help you set up your business entity so you can do the best to eliminate any kind of personal liability. We help you get your phone number listed with 411. This is a real basic requirement a lot of people don't know about that determines if you'll get approved for credit or financing or not. And it's also something that will cost you nearly $400 a year to do on your own unless you've been around for a long time and 411 picks you up naturally. But as part of our Finance Suite, that's all included. We take care of that for you. So whether it be setting up your EIN, giving you instructions on website, email setup, licensing, everything that credit issuers and lenders look at to determine if you're credible, we go through in step one. The next thing we do is we help you do a free check to see if the business credit reporting agencies have a record set up for you now or if they don't. So what a lot of people don't realize is that Experian and Equifax, for example, can issue and populate a credit report for you, even give you a bad score just because they know you exist, even if you've never had credit, good or bad. So we help you do a free search to see if the reporting agencies know that you exist now, and to also get set up with Dun & Bradstreet to get your DUNS number and to do the things that are needed to set up and activate your credit profile. Now, this alone costs $1,500 annually with D&B, and we help you navigate that process without paying them any money, still being able to get your DUNS number and being able to get your credit profile activated. Once we've made sure that you're set up with the reporting agencies, the next thing we do is we help you start accessing real business credit. And there's a couple different ways you could do this. If you have credit issues now, you can use what are called vendor accounts. These are vendors that will offer you credit even if you're a startup, even if you're a new, even if you've never established business credit before. They don't do a personal credit check, and they're not basing the approval on your actual revenue. Plus, they report your credit to the business credit reporting agencies. So this helps you establish business credit even if you have none now. Now, if you have good personal credit, then we walk you through another solution called our unsecured business financing program, where you can get up to $150,000 in unsecured cash credit at 0% rates. These are credit lines where you could take all the cash out, and they even report to the business credit reporting agencies. So whether you have good credit and you want to get access to a bunch of cash quickly now and build your business credit at the same time, or you have credit issues, we have solutions that will help. And each source that we have teaches you everything you need to know to actually be successful. Look, a lot of people try to build business credit and fail because they don't understand that credit has to be applied for in a particular order to get approved. And they don't know the underwriting criteria for the sources they're applying for. The Finance Suite, we map all that out. We teach you which accounts are reporting to which reporting agencies, the exact process to get approved, even what kind of product and services that company sells. We even have videos in some cases that walk you through the actual approval process, and a step-by-step that walks you through the approval process as well. Matter of fact, you could even click to apply. And if there are accounts that you're not ready to apply for yet, we gray these accounts out so you know not to apply for accounts that you're not going to be able to get approved for. So this is something you're not going to find anywhere else. By having underwriting guidelines for every source, you'll know you can get approved before you even take the steps to apply. So once you get a handful of initial accounts, the next thing we're going to do is help you actually get set up with the business credit reporting agencies. Now, what's nice about this is that we teach you exactly how to read your DMB, Equifax, and Experian credit reports. For example, you might not know that creditor names don't actually show up on your credit report. You might not realize that only categories show up, or that you won't see utilization ratio on commercial credit reports. You'll only see the recent amount of credit that you've used, or that you may see 3, 4, 5 credit scores on your credit reports. We go over all of this in your training. We even help you get set up to monitor your business credit reports. Now, we have a direct integration that is powered by Nav, where you can access your DMB and Experian credit reports for about 90% less than what you will if you go to the business credit reporting agencies directly. These reports give you everything you need to know to successfully monitor your business credit. Now, monitoring your business credit is very important as you're building commercial credit, because how many trade lines you have determines when you're ready to move to the next step. So on these, you actually get an overview of your score, report details, and even factors that are affecting your score. So you can quickly see how your payment statuses, or derogatory accounts, or your credit utilization, or your payment trends are actually impacting your scores. Or you can actually access your full reports with Experian and DMB, including your business information, factors influencing your score, summary details on days beyond terms, trade lines, judgments, and filings. You can see tax lien data. You can see an overview of trade accounts, UCC filings for any loans that you have outstanding. You can even see all the details on your trade lines that you'll need to know to effectively build your business credit. You can do exactly the same thing with DMB as well. So you can access your DMB Paydex score, factors that are affecting your score, and get all of the details that you're going to want and need on your DMB credit report so you can effectively build your business credit. So you get all of this for less than $30 a month, whereas to go outside of the Finance Suite, you'd pay nearly $200 a month to access the same reports, and all through your report integration. As you start to see your new accounts populate on your business reports, you're going to know when it's time to move to the next step of business credit building. And this is when you start to get real access to revolving business credit accounts that don't require a personal guarantee or a personal credit check for approval. So as you make it through this step, you're exposed to sources like Office Depot, Best Buy, Shell, Staples, Tractor Supply, Amazon, Walmart. And what's interesting is all of these will give you credit cards with very high limits, 10, 20, 30, 40, even $50,000 limits in your business name. This is credit that's linked to your business EIN, doesn't require a personal credit check, and doesn't require any kind of personal guarantee for approval. flow. Bottom line, you can get approved regardless of cash flow, credit, or collateral to be able to get the physical money you need to be able to grow your business. And again, for every source, we list the contact information, who they report to, and also the exact information you need to get approved. This is very important because, for example, when we talk about who reports to, you move from stage to stage of business credit building based on how many payment experiences you have. And a payment experience is the reporting of an account to one business credit reporting agency. So by knowing that certain accounts report to multiple reporting agencies, you can get approved for more and more credit with fewer and fewer accounts because you're building more payment experiences because they report to multiple reporting agencies. And again, knowing the underwriting guidelines for each source helps know you can get approved before you even apply. There's a tremendous amount of business credit that you're going to discover in step 5, 6, and 7 as you go through to build your business credit. You're going to find revolving store credit accounts at almost every major retailer. So if you're in the trucking industry, for example, you can get gas cards at every major gas station to be able to fuel your trucks. Maybe you're in the construction industry and Home Depot and Lowe's are accounts you need, or maybe you have an office where Staples, Office Depot, Walmart, even Amazon is the type of credit. Well, you can access all these kinds of store revolving credit accounts through the actual finance suite. Now, as you progress, you'll also discover that we have fleet credit accounts as well. Fleet credit accounts are where you can get revolving credit, where you can actually get high limit revolving credit cards to be able to get fuel for vehicles, maintenance, repairs, whether it be your primary vehicle or a fleet of vehicles. You'll also be able to access auto financing, car financing. That doesn't require a personal credit check or a personal guarantee as well. And you'll also be able to access MasterCards, Visa cards, cash credit cards, physical credit cards you can use in multiple locations that are commercial credit cards that will help you grow your business. So the Finance Suite has a lot of different types of credit and financing available all in one place. And the best part is you're not on your own. Our business advisors, some of which have helped over 10,000 people build corporate credit, will help you every step of the way. Not only are they available for you to call or to email or to live chat, but we'll be contacting you as well. In the first 5 days you enroll, we'll be calling you 5 times. We'll be calling you regularly after that because we found that having a coach and a motivator in your corner can help you move through the process quickly. And that's exactly what we're doing here. What we're really doing is helping you condense what takes years for most people to try on their own and condense it down into only months. You break down years of business credit building and you get it done in only months to access the capital you need quickly to fund your business. So everything you need, whether it be to get phones for your business, to get revolving credit cards, store credit cards, cash credit cards, you can get in our business credit builder. But don't forget, that's only part of the equation. We also want to talk about credit lines. We also want to talk about loans. When you're trying to grow your business, sometimes you don't care about what type of money it is. You just need money to grow the business. And statistics show that when you have access to capital, your chance of succeeding and thriving are significantly better than if you don't. So in the Finance My Business section of the Finance Suite, we come in and help you access all different kinds of business financing. We already talked a little bit about the unsecured financing, where you can get up to $150,000 for your business with 0% rates in actual physical credit lines that help you build your business credit if you do have good personal credit or you do have a guarantor that does. But let's say you don't have good personal credit. Well, then maybe revenue financing works a little bit better for you. This one doesn't have consumer credit requirements. You don't need collateral. All you need to have is consistent cash flow. And within 72 hours or less, you can actually get approved and get financing. Or maybe you want to get financing to purchase commercial real estate, to purchase equipment. Or maybe you already have some kind of collateral such as equipment, 401k, stocks, bonds. Well, all these type of financing is available for you as well. So you can actually get loans and credit lines with interest rates below 2%, even if you don't have good credit, even if you don't have cash flow. A lot of these don't ask for any kind of cash flow verification, and they don't have any kind of consumer credit check, and you can still get approved in some cases in 1 day or less and be able to get funding in some cases in a few days or less. We also even have private equity financing and many different kinds of programs that work with individual investors. So what the Finance Suite really does is it pulls together all types of capital into one place. And then you're also assisted with finance officers that will help you every step of the way. Their job is to talk to you, to find out what it is you're trying to do, to develop a finance blueprint qualifier to find out what you can qualify for now and develop a plan for you to qualify for even more money in the future. And don't forget, even if you can get loans now, by helping you build your business credit, it gets you the best chance of getting the most amount of money at the best terms. So you no longer need to look for money. You have a solution that will help you access all types of high limit revolving credit card accounts, all types of credit lines, all types of loans, even when you simply cannot qualify at your bank if you think you can. And also, if you can qualify, helping you get financing at absolutely the best terms available. The Finance Suite really gives you the easiest and fastest way to obtain money for your business, whether you can or you can't qualify for financing right now through outside sources. And again, you're helped through the process with our team that provides concierge service, holds your hand, walks you through every step of obtaining business credit and of obtaining business financing. But the benefits don't stop there. We also have an integration where you can actually get your business valuation right from BizEquity. So with this tool, it's really cool because without paying a dime of money, you can actually come in, enter some basic information about your business, your income, assets, liabilities, and then in doing so, you'll get an estimated business value. You'll get an idea of the valuation of your business just by entering this information. Now, at the other end of this, there is a 29-page report that you could choose to pay for to actually get a lot of details about KPIs for your business, things that can help your business grow, things that can help increase the value of your business. But even without taking that step, anytime you want to, by going right here into the Finance Suite, you can get an estimated idea of value of your business. Do you know how much your business is worth now? Do you know the things that you should be working on to make your business worth more money? Well, this integration and this resource helps you figure those things out. Anytime you want to, you can type in some basic information, get an idea of what your business is worth now. Maybe you want to do that now and every quarter. Maybe you want to do it every month. Maybe you want to do it once a year. How often you want to do it is up to you. But whenever you do, this option is available to get an estimated idea of value. And again, if even once a year you want to get a full comprehensive 29-page report, you can definitely go through and literally probably thousands of dollars cheaper than trying to do a business valuation on your own, you can get that information. But as part of the Finance Suite, without paying anything, you get this nice resource that helps you figure out the estimated idea of what your value or the value of your business is worth now, so you can work on the things you need to work on to make your business worth the most amount of money. So all these things are designed to help you get the money you need to grow your business and make your business more valuable. Now, maybe you want to take one more step. We also have programs when you enroll with us that allow you to be a white label partner. And with our white label partner program, you're able to offer the same Finance Suite that you see here with your logo, your branding, where we provide the servicing and the technology. Basically, you can get into the business of offering business credit and financing and helping other people succeed and add this as a primary or a secondary revenue stream to your existing business. When you join with us as a partner, we give you everything you need to be successful. We have a step-by-step training program that teaches you everything you need to know about offering business credit and financing. We teach you how to present, how to sell. We teach you the benefits. We teach you how business credit works, how financing works. Everything you need to be successful offering business credit, we have in a quick start 7-step training. Now, we also have a whole resource library with all the resources you could possibly want and need to be successful as well. So you can come in and get ebooks and flyers, and you can get a 2 years worth of email content. You can get press releases, articles, PowerPoints, webinars, videos, and all these things are available to help you offer business credit and financing. Basically, you're getting the equivalent of an entire business in a box set up to put you in the business of offering business credit and financing. So almost any resource you could need, from videos all the way through to resources you want to use for marketing, marketing such as flyers are all available. And these are all professionally done. So instead of you spending thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars to come up with your own marketing resources, we provide you everything that is completely customizable. So all the resources are professionally done and they all have your information where you can simply add a few details and make these customized just for you. So our flyers, our ebooks and guides, everything is professionally done, giving you access to every tool, every resource you could possibly need to be successful offering business credit and financing, again, if that's something that you choose to do. Our enrollment options allow you to do whatever option you like. You can enroll with us just to get business credit and financing, or you can choose our other options such as our VIP and Ultimate, where you can actually enroll to be a white label partner and offer business credit and financing as a service and get things like you're seeing here with access to this ebook. So you have an entire partner resources library. You also have the ability to set up sales reps in your back office, manage them, give them their own unique access, even access the same type of sales resources that are designed for your sales team, making it very easy to come in and train your sales team and get them every resource they need to actually get out there and be successful. Plus, you can earn money on funding deals. So when your customers get financing, you could submit your customers for financing, or you can also come in and you can have customers that you already have that bought the business credit builder that you can also get financing and you can get paid and earn commissions on those. So you can make a front-end commission by offering the finance suite. You can even earn a back-end commission on financing fees that you may be able to earn from your customers obtaining financing, because some programs we deal with do pay referral or affiliate commissions. Now, it's important to know we don't pay a dime for financing. Any customer that comes to us that we help with financing, we do not charge a dime before or after the loan closes. But some lenders will pay us an affiliate commission, and in doing so, we split those with you as our partner. You even have the ability to track those commissions. It's easy to add clients. You can add clients to get business credit, just to get financing. You can manage them here with your client dashboard, where you're able to see all that customer's information. So for example, your client dashboard will show you all the information the customer entered, both in their business credit builder and in their finance blueprint and the Finance My Business section of the finance suite. It has their information. It allows you to change their login information in case you want to lock them out for any reason or do a password reset. You can access any files they've uploaded for financing. You could see all of our team's notes on that customer to track in real time what's happening with your customer. If your customer's getting financing, you can even track the financing stage the customer's in. So everything you need to do to successfully manage your customers, you could do as well. There's even a My Account feature where you could see your invoices with us. You can also put in your own logo to upgrade your logo, enter any new credit card information to basically manage your account with us. So everything you need to be successful, from accessing our massive abundance of resources in our resource library, accessing our weekly coaching webinars where we do these every Tuesday at 3 o'clock Eastern. We record them all. They teach you everything from advertising with Google to how to set up a marketing sequence to, how to 10x your revenue, developing a massive action plan. Every week we're going over new and updated training that helps you be successful offering business credit financing. We even have a private Facebook community that's only available for our partners, where our partners work together to find success offering business credit financing. So you have the resource library you need. You have the training that you need. We have a full support team that reaches out to you and helps coach you through the process. We have a quick start closing program where we get on the phone in a conference call with you, with your customer, and actually help you close deals for customers that you have. Again, your sales reps, you can set up your sales reps. You can train them. They have access to their own resources. You have your quick step-by-step partner resources, and you have the ability to do everything you need to do to run your own business credit financing business, from adding new customers to coming in and managing customers through your client dashboard to tracking your actual commissions along the way. Everything you need to run your own business credit financing business, you get as well if you are choosing to enroll with us on a program where you're becoming a white label partner. If you choose not to, that's fine. You're still getting access to everything you need to build your business credit, to access your business credit reports. You're still getting the ability to access all different kinds of loans and credit lines, to check the valuation of your business anytime that you see fit or that you want to do this. You're still getting all of these access to these other resources as well. well, even if you decide not to be a white label partner with us. So everything you need to be successful with getting money for your business, we provide you through the Finance Suite. It's the easiest and fastest way to build business credit for your EIN that's not linked to your social, and also get access to business loans and credit lines using our technology, whether it be in English or Spanish, and working with our team that is bilingual that will help you through all aspects of building business credit, getting financing for your business, even when you can't qualify at your bank. And if you want to take the extra step, you can also come in and become a white label partner and access our technology and our servicing and get into the business of offering business credit financing where you're making the sale and we're doing all the rest. So if you have any questions, get in touch with us. 877-600-2487. That's 877-600-2487 or info@creditsuite.com. Our mission is to help business owners access money to grow. Even when nobody else will help you, we still have solutions with our combination of business credit and business loans and credit lines. So we'd love to talk with you more. Feel free to give us a call, 877-600-2487. Here's to your success with obtaining capital to grow your business.